So we lost the insurance, and the state didn't provide it until the following year. It was $1,900 a year. I mean, yeah. So it was, and our son, and our son and his family moved back. Our son is now the college of the academy. And my brother just lives a few blocks up the street here on Stockyard. So we're like, whether we're getting money to be close to more family. Everybody else is doing it. Yeah, everybody else is doing it. So let's